Located in a desirable cul-de-sac neighborhood, this exceptional Almeida-built colonial offers a bright open floor plan with tall ceilings and fresh upgrades throughout. Step into this airy home as the large living room and formal dining room offer enough space to host any number of family and friends. The beautiful remodeled kitchen showcases Kraftsmaid cabinets, quartz countertops, new stainless steel appliances, glass subway tile backsplash, and crown molding. The sunlit breakfast nook opens to a spacious family room with a marvelous stone fireplace and glass doors that lead out to a newly refinished deck. Dine al fresco on the expansive deck that looks out on the private yard where you and your guests can spread out during outdoor occasions. The second floor features the master suite with an updated luxurious bath. 3 more generous bedrooms can be found on this floor along with a full bath. The second staircase leads to a skylit third level that is ideal for an office or workout room and includes a half bath. Extra space for a playroom or rec room can be found in a brand new finished lower level displaying new carpets, recessed lighting, and built-ins. This home is walking distance to Nayat School, a portion of Barrington's Blue Ribbon school system. Down the road is the Barrington Town Beach along with the Rhode Island Country Club, home of the CVS Charity Classic. Enjoy the splendor of Brickyard Pond or ride down the East Bay Bike Path, which takes you on a scenic tour from Colt State Park to India Point Park. The charming town center is filled with locally owned businesses and the town library. Visit the yacht club and the rest of the coastal amenities in this beautiful, quiet town, 20 minutes from Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Lauren Schaller of the Friedman Group at area code 401-332-6636.